Alright, it's time for us to do one together. So we're using the same chart that was in the last problem. It says, what is the total weight of the zebra and gorilla? So this time we're looking at the zebra and gorilla. So right now I want you to pause it and see if you can write an equation that would represent the total weight of the zebra and the gorilla. Alright, hopefully your equation matches what I'm about to write. So I know that the zebra is 568 pounds and the gorilla is 408 pounds. So you should have written 568 plus 408 equals blank. Alright, so that's what we're solving. So now it says to use expanded form to solve. So now I want you to pause it and see if you can write this out in expanded form and then go ahead and solve it, and then we'll compare answers. So with expanded form, I need to have 500 plus 60 plus 8, and I need to also do 400 plus 0 plus 8, and then I'm just going to be adding my place value. 8 plus 8 is 16, 60 plus 0 is 60, 500 plus 400 is 900, and now I need to combine those. 900 plus 60 would be 960, plus another 10 and 6 ones would be 976. All right, hopefully you got the right answer. If not, see what you did wrong based on what I did.